Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is the king's choice. Okay, the king's choice. There was once a lion who was king of the forest. You know, lion, he was the king of the forest. He was big and strong and very fierce. Was very big and strong also. Very fierce. Fierce means very angry, very aggressive. You know, the lion was very aggressive. All the other animals in the forest called him king. All the animals called lion king. They brought him gifts for every corner of the forest. The other animals brought different gifts for the lion from every corner of the forest. But the more the lion had, the more he wanted. But he was, in simple words, we can say he was greedy. The lion wanted more and more. The king must have a court. You know, the king must have a court. He said to himself one day, he said himself to one day, he called a fox to his side. He called fox from his side. You are known to be a wise and clever creature, fox. He is saying to the fox that you are known as very wise and clever creature, said the lion. I want you to be my advisor. I want that you can advise me. I want you as an advisor. Okay. Advisor means, we called it in Marathi सल्ला देनारा. Okay, उससे हम पूछ सकते हैं अभी क्या करना है क्या नहीं. Okay, so the king's advisor, fox would be a king's advisor because he was very wise and clever. Thank you, your majesty, said the fox, going low. वैसे करके बोलने लगा. Thank you, your majesty. The lion next called a leopard to his side. Next time, he called a leopard to his side. Lion is saying, you are known to be watchful and swift of foot, leopard. So he is praising the leopard. He is saying, you are known to be watchful and swift of the foot. I want you to be my bodyguard. Leopard, you are my bodyguard. So leopard is saying, thank you, your majesty, said the leopard, going low. Like this, he is saying, thank you, majesty. The lion then called a vulture to his side. Then lion called a vulture to his side. You are a bird. He is saying, you are a bird, vulture, and can fly high. You are to be my messenger. Okay. Who is fox? Fox should be his advisor. Leopard should be his bodyguard. And vulture should be his messenger. So they are the courtiers of the king. Thank you, your majesty, said the vulture, going low. The fox, the vulture, and the leopard took an oath, loyalty to the king. Oath means shapath lena. Okay, took an oath that we are very loyal, we are very honest to our king. The king promised to give them food and protection. In repentance, uske badle, the king, what he promised? The king promised to give them food and protection. For some time, all went well in the court of the lion king. All the things are going smoothly, swiftly. Okay, everything is going all well. The three courtiers never opposed the king. They always support the king. They never oppose the king. Who? Fox, leopard, and vulture. His wishes were law. Whenever he roared, they stood in awe. Whenever he roared, lion roared, they stood in awe. Whenever he took a walk, they followed him. Whenever he took a walk, all the three courtiers followed him. When the Lion King went hunting, Lion King goes for hunting. They found the animals for him to kill. And after he had his meal, he left the remains for them. First, he hunt the animal, he eat, he take his meal, and remaining whatever the bacha kucha jo hota hai, so he remains as it is for the three of them. So they always had enough to eat. So both they three have always enough to eat. One day the vulture came back from a flight. उड़ के आया, flight उड़ के आया. Vulture came back from a flight. Your Majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? He's asking to the lion. Your Majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? He asked. It is very tasty. He's saying, Majesty, it is very tasty. I ate it once in the desert. मैंने desert में उसको एक बार खाया था camel. The lion had never seen a camel. Lion ने कभी camel को देखा ही नहीं. The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. But in meal, he loved the idea of trying camel's meat. Camel का मांस खाने की idea अच्छी है. But where can we get a camel? He asked. But where can we get a camel? There is a desert some miles away. Vulture is saying, there is a desert some miles away. Said the vulture. I was flying over it when I saw a lone camel not far away. Lone means alone, only one. Lone camel. I have saw one lone camel, only one camel in the desert. It is not far away. It looked big and fat. How camel was looking? It looked big and fat. The lion looked at his other advisors. The lion looked at other advisors. They were wise and experienced. They are very wise and they are experienced. He wanted their opinion. Lion wanted their opinion also. Now the fox and leopard did not know the desert. But fox and leopard, they did not know about desert. They didn't know anything about the desert. But they did not want the vulture to seem wiser than they. But they did not want that vulture should be wiser than they. So what they do? So they said, since it was the vulture's idea, he should lead the way. उन्होंने क्या किया? ये vulture की idea है तो वो ही lead करेगा, वो आगे बढ़ेगा. So since it was the vulture's idea, he should lead the way. Early next morning, the lion and his court started off on the camel hunt. Camel की शिकार करने early morning निकल गए. Okay. So early next morning, the lion and his court started off on the camel hunt. They reached the edge of the desert easily. They reached the edge of the desert. But after they left the shelter of the forest, the day became very hot because it is desert. Okay. After that, as they left the shelter of the forest, the day became very hot. The sun shone down with fire hot rays. The sun shone down with fire hot rays. Very hot. High up in the cooler air, the vulture flew. Vulture तो high sky में, cooler air में चला गया. Hurry along, he called. The camel is not far off. He's saying, hurry up, come on, fast. The camel is not far off. But the lion could not hurry anymore. but the lion could not hurry anymore. The hot sand had burned his paws. उसके पंजे hot sand से burn होने लगे. He could go no farther. So he stopped. He could go no farther because he had burned. His paws are burning. Stop! He shouted to the others. He was very angry and he said, "Stop!" He shouted to the other courtiers. "Let's go back to the forest. I do not care to try animal meat. I do not care to try the animal meat. Let's go back to the forest." The lion, king's advisor, were frightened. घबरा गए थे बाकी के दो, leopard and fox. The forest was far behind them and they did not know how to get the lion back home. Forest is far behind and they didn't know how to get back the lion, how to take him back. The leopard wanted to run away. What leopard wanted? He wanted to run away. The vulture wanted to watch and wait and eat the lion later on. The vulture, he wanted to watch and wait and eat the lion later on. But the clever fox thought of a plan. But fox was a very clever animal. He thought one plan. Off into the desert he ran, saying, "I will bring some help." He ran and saying, "I will bring some help." After running for some time, the fox found the camel. After running for some time, the fox found the camel. Yes, the camel was indeed surprised to see him. Camel was very surprised to see him. "Hurry up, friend camel," said the fox. Fox and camel, they were friends. He's saying, "Hurry up, friend camel," said the fox. "Our king wants you at once." हमारे king को तुम चाहिए. Okay, our king wants you. "Your king?" said the camel. "Who is that?" Camel is asking the fox, "Your king? Who is that?" "I do not know any king." Camel is saying, "I do not know any king. I only know my master for whom I carry goods across the desert." Yes, camel's work is to carry goods on his back for his master. So he is saying, "I know the only king who is my master. I only know my master for whom I carry goods from the desert." "Our king, the lion, has killed your master," said the fox. "Oh, our king, he was lion and he killed your master. Now you are free and the lion has invited you to live at his court. Come along." Fox bola, "Now you are free from your master. Our king invited you to live at his court. Come along." The camel followed the fox. Camel ने उस पर भरोसा किया. He following the fox. He followed the fox. When the fox and the camel reached the lion's camp, the vulture and the leopard were surprised. How can this is possible? Because fox was very clever, and leopard and vulture, they both are very surprised. Even the lion looked pleased in spite of his burned spots. Even the lion looked very pleased. The camel was presented to the king. Camel was presented before the king. He agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at his court. He agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at his court. "Get on the camel's back, Your Majesty." He's saying, get on the camel's back. Camel ke piche. Said the fox, we will return home. Okay. You just go back and on the camel's back, we will return home. The lion at first jumped onto the camel's back. Lion ne jumped. He just jumped over the camel's back. His courtiers, the fox and the leopard, jumped up behind him. His courtiers also, the fox and leopard, jumped behind him. And with the vulture flying ahead as a guide. And the vulture is flying as a guide. वो उनको रास्ता गाइड कर रहा था. They set off on the long journey back to the forest. Lion, camel, and two courtiers and lion. They jump on the camel's back. They start their journey. Okay. When the travelers reached the forest, they were all tired and hungry. When they reached the forest, they were tired. Bhuke paise the, tired and hungry. The fox, the leopard, and the vulture looked at the camel. The fox, the vulture, and leopard. These three courtiers, they were looking at the camel. Then they looked at each other and smiled hungry smiles. They had brought the camel for the king's dinner. All three, they were looking at each other and they smiled hungrily that they had brought the camel for the king's dinner. Now it was the time for the feast. Friend camel, he said, I have to thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to live at my court as long as you like. They are saying, friend camel, you saved my life. You can live as long as you want in my court. I promise you my protection. So he promised to camel for his protection. The lion's courtier was shocked. The lion's courtier was very shocked. Had they not risked their lives so that he could try camel meat? And the king wanted to let the camel live? The lion tell him to live as you want. The courtiers were not pleased with his decision. They pushed nahi the. Vulture, fox, all the three courtiers, they were not pleased with his decision. Yet they could do nothing. But वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Yet they could do nothing. Now the lion's paws were so badly burned that he could not go hunting. Because of his paw, they were badly burned. He could not go for hunting. But that did not keep him from growing very hungry indeed. Fox, leopard, vulture, he shouted. Because he is very hungry. He shouted, fox, leopard, vulture, don't you see that I am ill and hungry? Tumko dikh nahi raha hai? I am ill also and hungry also. Go and get back some food. Go and get some food. Go and get me some food. The courtier had to obey the king. The courtiers, they want to follow the orders of the king. They want to obey the king. So out they went. But they did not go far. लेकिन बहुत दूर नहीं गए. They sat down in a safe place and discussed what they could do. They sat down and they discussed what they could do. I know, said the fox after a while. Now, fox is saying, I know what to do. We shall make the camel ask to be eaten. We shall make the camel ask to be eaten. He told the others to his plan. They all agreed. So they went to the king. उनको camel ही खाना. Okay, so they went back to the king. First, the vulture stepped forward. Your Majesty, he said, bowing low. He's just bowing low and saying, Your Majesty, we have found no food. हमको कुछ भी नहीं मिला. We have found no food. But we cannot let your Majesty suffer. But हम तुमको किसी Majesty को, King को कैसे suffer करेंगे? I am a poor creature. Eat me. क्या बोलने लगा? Vulture. I am a very poor creature. Eat me. The fox pushed the vulture aside. Fox ने उसको push किया, बाजू में सरका दिया. I have more meat on me, he cried. लेकिन मुझ में तो ज्यादा मीट है, more meat है. Eat me, your Majesty. Vulture बोलने लगा, Eat me, your Majesty. Now the leopard rushed forward. Leopard आया आगे, वो बोलने लगा, I am not much good, he cried, but I could make a meal for the king. मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं राजा के खाने के लायक हूँ. Okay, so but I could make a meal for the king. Your Majesty, he said, I too am willing to give my life for you. Please eat me instead of these old friends of yours, who will be more useful than I am. The camel listened to all these offers. He must do as much, he thought. Your Majesty, he said, I am willing to give me my life for you. Camel is also saying, please eat me instead of these old friends. आपकी ये old friend की जगह आप मुझे खा लीजिए. Who will be more useful than I am? They are more useful and I am. This was what the fox, the leopard, and the vulture were waiting for. They prepared to jump at the camel, but the lion stopped them. This only want, but they were stopped. You are all good and loyal subjects, he said. What he is saying? You are all loyal and good subjects. My heart is touched by your offers. I accept them all. I shall eat you in the order in which you offered yourself. Lion was also very clever. So he is saying, I eat you as you offered yourself. The vulture, the fox, the leopard were shocked. All the three courtiers were shocked. Away flew the vulture, ran away the fox and the leopard. They were never seen in the forest again. All the three, vulture just fly away. Leopard and fox, they run away. The lion laughed to see them go. The lion was very, what we can say, happy. He was laughing to see them go. Then he turned to the camel and said, you have been loyal and good. What the king saying? You have been loyal and good. You shall be my friend as long as we are alive. The camel was happy and grateful. The lion thought to himself, to be king is good, but to be kind is better. So what is the moral of the story? To be king is good thing. To be king is good, but to be kind is better. Okay, so to be kind to others. Okay, so this is about the king's choice. We are here finished our topic, the king's choice. Okay, read this topic. Okay, bye.